Myntri Rangbah Konrad ke sangmah nega sengi ula Plie Pyrda ke Jingrakhe ya ke Jingdap Snem ke Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital apalau jong ke nega hospital. Haringkat ke Jingadon lang usembut Myntri Rangbah ubak prestun tingsong. Ha ke Jingkren jong Konrad ula ai khublei ya ke hospital halor ke Jingla ban poisha unia umau jam. Ke nega deiru ke por ban pediang bat ngong hun bat ngongu ya ke Jingtre jong Dr. H. Gordon Roberts ubala wan poi ha shlong ha Snem ka khandai spa khat lai ban sedang tangda i dispensary ibarat Mission Compound Shillong. Konrad ulakan mau ia kisngi bakhe ke kelam COVID khat khandai ba ulapan pau ia ke jing ngongu ia ke hospital halo ke Jingtre jong ka ha ke por jong ka kelam. Ulakan tu ia ke hospital bakan yai tre ia ke kam mission ha ki dinjat Dr. H. Gordon Roberts ban syakri ia ki beliau da ke jing iej ke jing isnei ke jing IT lut bat ke jing terang.
Central agencies, we will support this project. We will move this project internally. We hope that we will be able to get necessary funds, even if it means in a phase-wise manner. So from that fund, at least a small token of contribution I would like to hand over to our superintendent today. There's a small sanction letter under the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund for a small amount of 20 lakh rupees from my Chief Minister's Development Fund. I would like to just hand this over to our superintendent as a small token from my side.